Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your TikTok account public. First, it's important to understand that a public account means anyone can see your videos and profile. To begin, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Look for the three-line menu in the top right corner. Tap on it, then select Settings and Privacy. From there, you will find the Private Account toggle. Simply switch this off to make your profile public. Even with a public account, you have control over individual video audiences. Before you post a new video, you'll see options to select who can view it. To ensure maximum public reach, always choose Everyone. You can also adjust settings for each video, deciding who can comment, duet, or stitch your content. Taking a moment to review these options helps ensure your videos are seen by the widest possible audience. Once your account and videos are public, there are several ways to maximize your reach. Incorporate relevant hashtags into your captions to help people discover your content. Using trending sounds and popular effects can also significantly boost visibility. Don't forget to engage with comments and interact with other public videos to build a community. Posting consistently, perhaps 3 to 5 times a week, helps keep your content fresh on the For You page. Having a public TikTok account offers many benefits. You can reach a much wider audience, which often leads to gaining more followers and increasing your overall presence. It also allows you to participate fully in trends and challenges, making your content more discoverable. Public accounts also gain access to analytics, providing valuable insights into your video performance. Just remember, all your content will be visible to everyone on the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.